Once upon a time in a small village, there was a kind and humble carpenter named Joseph. He lived a simple life, always helping his neighbors and sharing what little he had. One winter, the village was hit by a terrible storm. Homes were damaged, and many people were left without shelter or food. Joseph, with his unwavering faith, opened his modest home to those in need. He shared his food, mended broken roofs, and built a fire to keep everyone warm. As he worked tirelessly, he prayed for strength and guidance. One night, an old traveler knocked on Joseph's door. The traveler, grateful for Joseph's kindness, revealed himself to be an angel sent by God. He told Joseph, "Your faith and love have not gone unnoticed. God is pleased with you." The next morning, the storm had passed, and the village was miraculously restored. The crops grew abundantly, and everyone's homes were repaired. The villagers, moved by Joseph's example, began to help one another, fostering a community of love and support. Joseph's faith and kindness had not only saved the village but had also inspired a spirit of unity and compassion that would last for generations. And from that day on, Joseph's story was told to remind everyone that through faith and love, miracles can happen.